Hello, this is RICKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to speed up your Verizon Galaxy S4. Now this can be done for any carrier, but I'm doing it specifically for Verizon because that's the one I just got and I want to speed this phone up. So if you haven't catch my video previously on how to speed up the S4, I will go over one thing quickly, and that is how to speed up developer options. So first of all, if you go into About Phone, and then you go into build number, you're going to hit that like about 6 times. You'll hear it say 5 more times, 4 more times, 3 more times, 2, 1. And then you'll get developer options. So remember, you're going to be hitting build number, that one. And then once you have developer options, as soon as you turn it on, it'll tell you make sure you don't do this and let you know what you're doing, simply for the fact that if you do, something could go horribly wrong. Alright, now on that note, you're going to scroll all the way down to the drawing section and then make sure all of these window animations that are normally set to 1x are at 0.5x. This means your transitions that normally take 1 second will now take half a second, which doing that to these 3 will speed up your phone a lot more. Turning them off doesn't really help because it still takes about half a second for things to move in your phone. So if you turn it off, it actually just seems like your phone is lagging. So it has the opposite effect. So I would set them all to 0.5 seconds. Now the other section is in your application manager. Now in your application manager, if you go all the way to the right, which will be all of your apps, there's a lot of apps that come with your phone that you might never use. So I'm going to go over which ones that I disabled and how to disable them. So if you see here, so we can start right here. I've disabled a lot of apps built into the device, simply just because I do not use them. And you can see I've disabled some of the Verizon ones, some of the Yahoo ones, the Travel Advisor, Story Album from Samsung, some of the built-in Samsung apps, and just a lot of these things that I will never use. So this is how you would do it. If you have an app that you do not use, so say if I had Yahoo Finances, I don't really use that one. So I go to the app, I first force close it, then I clear the little data that I do have of it because, you know what, I don't need it, so I'm going to clear it. And then I disable it. And once I disable it, what that'll do is it will basically make it so it's not working on the phone. Now, all of the little bit of built-in storage that it does have will remain, so you're not uninstalling it. But basically you're getting it away from part of the device's memory and definitely away from the RAM. Essentially this will just make your phone run a lot faster overall. So you can see on my running, generally I have it a lot less. Right now I still have a lot open right now, but say if I clear my RAM, I'll have closer to 1.2, whereas normally on Samsung you have closer to 1.5 with Verizon model. So just to give you an idea of how that works, there would be less. I do have a lot of stuff running in the background from different applications that I use, but this is a good way of kind of relieving yourself of some of the built-in apps. Now if you're not sure of an app that if you do use it or not, so like animated photo, for instance, is a feature in the camera, I would not disable that because then you could cause problems with your phone. So again, I will show you all the ones I disabled and you can feel free to disable those. However, if it's not on there, you can ask down below and I will do my best to answer which ones that I recommend you can disable and which ones you do not. So, oops, sorry. So these are some of the ones that I've disabled and that are not required for your phone to work. And there you have it. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Thank you for watching. This has been RICKY, the Android Guy.